fly the seafront, show you things. Just show you, look how small they are down there. Oh, we used to run around on these cliffs, jumping up and down on them. I remember taking my dog for a walk up there one day, and it was howling, a wind and rain. Dog didn't give a monkeys, and dog cocked its leg at side of bloody cliff and disappeared, blew him over. I was only a kid, I thought he was dead, and it just so happened, see, with a little bit of grassy bit under there, it blown him off onto down into a bit of grassy bit, thank goodness. It took me half an hour to get him back up there. Oh, the stories. Bats on bikes. Bats on bikes, the stories I can tell. Well, let's take you for a little guided tour of this lovely little village called Filey, where I spent most of my teenage years. Here we go. Third time up bike, key in. Ignition on, check it's in neutral, stands up. Start it. Back it up a bit. I know you guys don't need a running commentary, I'm not doing it for myself and you guys. In first gear, clutch out slowly. Look at that lovely smooth set off. Not in a rush, should be helmet. What's the flowers for? Someone not died up here, I think, and what a night! Absolutely gorgeous. And it's only half moon. It's a bit blowy there. Hello, pigeon. I thought better of it. Yeah, Farley Country Car Park, spent many a good time up here. In my youth, oh, they put solar panels on it. Oh, got another story to tell you about. See that block over there? It's a shower block for the caravans. When I was 17 or so, I was an apprentice plumber. And I might have been 18 or so, somewhere around there anyway. And he sent me up here to come and fix a shower that was broken. So I comes up 8 o'clock in the morning, in the van, pulled up, had a look round for someone to tell me what was the scar. Couldn't find anyone. Anyway, up in the loft in there are all edit tanks, and that's where all the water feeds down into the showers. And so I think I goes in, and most of the showers, obviously at 8 o'clock in the morning, were occupied. And I thought I'll go in and have a look, see if everything's alright upstairs. Nice gravel on here. That'll be good, sliding it on video. So I goes up and has a look round. Anyway, there's a chair up there, and I thought, oh, that's a strange place for a bloody chair. And I'm having a look at all these eddy tanks in the place. And I goes up on this chair, and there's a bloody, I'm thinking, I can see light coming through there. So I looked closer at the ceiling, and some dirty bugger had drilled little holes in the ceiling above women's showers. And I thought, bloody hell. Anyway, so all the showers are occupied, and being 18 years old, I thought I'll have a look. So I'm held down there, thinking, oh my God, there's a sight and a half. A bloody 18-stone woman with flesh in places that I didn't know you could get it at that time. Lifting things and pulling things about. Nearly traumatised me, did that, I tell you. Oh my God. I don't want to see anything like that in my life. Excuse me. And what a sight. I mean, you shouldn't look at things like that if you don't want to get scared. Anyway, so I thought, after feeling a bit queasy at looking at this, I thought, I'll go back to trying to fix a shower. Anyway, I found out what the problem was. There was a ball valve stuck in one of the tanks. Gave it a shake about and repaired it. And And I was getting back down out of the loft and this guy comes up and he says, "Are you alright, mate?" I says, "Yeah, I've come to fix your shower." And he went, "Alright, did you find out what was wrong?" And I says, "Yeah." And he looked at me and he knew and I knew and I knew and he knew, if you know what I mean. It was one of them looks. I mean, I was 18 and I knew what it meant. And he kept saying, "Is everything alright?" I said, "Oh no, everything's fine. It's no problems." I said, "No, it's all fine." And I thought, I mean, he's probably my age at the time. I thought, whatever ticks your dog, bud. I says, you go and enjoy the 18-stone women having a shower if that ticks your tongue. And left him to it. And he looked so relieved, man, it was unreal. And yeah, that was one of the little stories. Right, we'll go into town. And can't believe it, that used to be just a bloody great big open field up there. Same as everything. You know, the population increases, you've got to bloody make houses for them. There's not enough of them anywhere. Did you know if you're a builder, God, I do waffle. If you're a builder and you build houses, depending on which council you're at, say you're building 6 houses. Oh no, I changed my mind. And so if you're building 6 houses, I know at York Council anyway, you build 6 houses, you have to give 2, I think it might be 3, to the council, cheap. They give you a fixed price for the council. You know, I think that's £60,000, £80,000 or something to build it, and that's what you've got to sell it to them for. Outrageous. And then, so the poor builder that's bought the plot of land, built all these 6 houses, he's only got 3 houses to make bloody money off, excuse my language. And then people whinge about the price of houses. And this is Filey Seafront. The lovely, lovely Filey Seafront. Well, it's not full of amusements and stuff like kids like, but I mean, you can tell, have a look around. Oh, they've got a motorcycle place here, that's good. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, we better not waffle about that. Oh, this is a bit of a bad angle. No, thank you. Let's get the neutral there. Maybe not. Oh, bugger it. No, we'll come back to that. Dare I leave it leaning like this? I don't think so. I think I'll turn it round and leave it over way so gravity's working on the stand and not out else. Shall I get it going? There's a good idea. I'm getting the hang of this clutch now slowly. It'll take a bit more practice yet. Let's move it a little bit. I'm too close to Mr. Scooter here. Turn the winker off. Put stand down. Then we'll go and have a look along here at the beautiful Filey Bay. There's a beautiful Filey Cliffs where I nearly killed myself and my brother a few times. And what's left of the fishing industry here, same as everywhere else I suppose. Let's tip my helmet up a bit. is it? No. Can't find it. There it is. Yeah, so yeah, when we were kids there used to be a lot more fishing boats down here. They mainly go out crabbing now and lobstering. And I can remember